The crypto world is becoming bigger and bigger with every passing day, and that's why people are becoming more and more interested. And this is where the crypto influencers come in with their knowledge, sharing them with the newbies. That is the exact reason you can see many crypto influencers with a massive following. But not all of them have the sole purpose of educating people. Some of them use their followers to shill coins and squeeze a big sum for themselves. Recently, Banter, a big name in the YouTube crypto influencer, has been exposed to doing something similar. Let's have a look. Banter is a YouTuber who streams quite regularly and talks about the crypto space, and his channel is quite big with 500,000 subscribers. He recently shared something that proved that he has been a part of something called insider trading. Insider trading is simply a process of purchasing or selling a cryptocurrency for one's own advantage through having access to confidential information. If you follow this influencer, back in April 2021, he started tweeting about a token named TLM, saying how he thinks it's gonna be big. Consider hitting that subscribe button. TLM was a gaming coin that wasn't that much known at that time, as it had a below $100 million market cap. So, seeing their favorite influencer promoting a token that he says has a lot of potential, many investors started to invest in TLM, which drove its price up after his tweet. But the thing they didn't understand is that their influencer is simply pumping the price up so that he can dump his tokens for a fat profit. To understand how it was a shilling, one can just see the rise of the price of TLM regarding the tweets of Banter. As soon as he started to tweet, the price started to rise, and the last supportive tweet was done when the price was at its peak. As soon as the price started to go down, you can see he simply stopped mentioning it. Many can say that's just assumptions. Well, Banter mistakenly showed the world proof. To make it seem that he actually supports TLM, after a couple of days he started tweeting about TLM. Banter announced on March 3rd, 2021 that he will have the TLM team in his stream. Now, if you're familiar with the exit scam, it also follows a similar pattern, where you announce a big event like this to attract a lot of potential buyers and dump your wallet onto them at the price peak. So, as said, one TLM member showed up on Banter's stream that day, and in the interview, the YouTuber pretended how supportive he is of TLM, also adding that he holds quite some tokens. That day, the TLM price reached its peak, and soon after that day, TLM price started to drop. So did the mention of TLM from Banter. Coincidence? This is where it gets interesting. In a later stream, Banter decided to share his Binance orders to show he puts his money where his money is. Stupidly enough, this is where he went wrong, because if you take a look at his transactions, you can easily see the entry of his TLM tokens selling for 0.43 Bitcoin. What number does that lead to as a whole? A figure around $25,000. Okay, he sold his TLM tokens. What's wrong with that? Guess when the TLM tokens reached that price point? Yes, the exact time when he was streaming with a member from TLM on his channel. At that time, when his followers were buying following his suggestion, he was simply dumping his tokens for profits. Banter's ethics statement has a line where it says his team doesn't engage in any selling activity of any promoted token for at least 24 hours. Well, it seems Banter forgot to point out that if there is a possibility of earning a fat sum, do hell with ethics. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe button. See you in another video.